Hi everyone! I hope you've enjoyed your first week of Leading Edge. Now that you've gotten to know each other a bit, we're ready to jump in to the next module. It is impressive the wide range of experience and levels of expertise in our class. As we move through the modules in the next 7 weeks, I hope to learn more about your perspectives and backgrounds as you share your experiences with the group. This promises to be a fun learning group. Before we jump into Module 2, I'd like to provide a quick overview of the calendar and how timing works in the course. From here on out, all assignments will be due either on Thursday or on Sunday. Your initial discussion posts are due on Thursdays, with your responses to others due by the following Sunday evening. The content for the next week is released on Friday, giving you the opportunity to get a head start on the week's readings and assignments. All right, this week you will be exploring the history of online and blended learning. Last week was focused on you as an online learner. This week we start the transition to you as an online teacher. As always, you should begin by reading the textbook for this module so that you have necessary vocabulary and background to participate in the discussions, reflections, and projects. You will begin by reading a 2012 report by the Clayton Christensen Institute for Disruptive Innovations that discusses the various models of online and blended learning and then looks more carefully at what that looks like in actual school settings. Your discussion prompt this week has you delving into the profiles, analyzing the success factors, and assessing how the profile might apply in your own school or district. Your reflection this week asks you to think about how your instructional methodologies need to change in an online or blended environment. Refer to the textbook for a discussion of both the pedagogical and technological skills needed for success. This week, you will complete your first portfolio assignment. A Venn diagram comparing online and/or blended learning and/or face-to-face teaching or learning. You will create your Venn diagram using an online tool or app. The curriculum links to a few tools, including Bubble Us, Google Drawings, Poplet, and others. You should try to play around with at least a couple of these tools to better understand the strengths and limitations. Do feel free to use a tool that is not listed, including those for iPad or Android. You may submit a screenshot rather than an embedded object if necessary. To submit your portfolio assignment, you will use Haiku's wiki projects. Start by clicking on View Projects. The first time you do this, it will show you directions again, and you will click Start My Wiki. The Haiku help page does have a tutorial on how to embed 2.0 tools on your wiki project. One reminder, if you want university credit for taking this course, please email me your snail mail address so that I can send you the forms. You will fill out the forms and send it directly to Fresno Pacific University. It is $225 for 3 units. With that, enjoy your week. Let me know if you run into any difficulties, and I'll see you online.